What's going on, friends? How you doing? I'm doing great. Hopefully you're doing just as well. Welcome to an Uncle's Guide. Today I want to show you how to turn a box of ordinary matches into waterproof matches. This is real simple, quick, and cheap. For all those preppers on a budget out there, this might be your route to go. So what you're going to need is some matches. You can use your small box of matches or a larger box of matches. That's your choice. And then this is the part you're going to need, the secret ingredient. Here I have Believe Beauty Kiss and Tell nail polish. Nail polish is the secret ingredient. Let's show you how it's done. Open up your nail polish. Grab a single match. Dip it in. Lay it down on your tin foil or paper plate, napkin, whatever you have, and you're going to let it dry. Match, dip it in. Make sure you coat the entire match head and part of the wood stick with nail polish. Let's try it with these. Now, I'm not a fan of the big box of matches just because there's 300 in this case, and I'm not doing 300 matches. But for the small packs, which are like 10 cents at the grocery store, 32 of them, I can spend a good half hour doing this and creating a whole box. But you're going to get nail polish on you, and then everybody at work is going to make fun of you. So we'll do quick 5 of them. It's real easy. Sure you coat that whole match head. Now, I have no idea. This is a gel effect nail polish. I don't know what that means. This is actually the first time in my entire life I've ever had to purchase nail polish, and I think the woman at the register picked up on that. So I'm not sure if gel nail polish or other types of nail polish matter, but I found gel works pretty well. Try this before with these. So then what you're going to do is you could either let them air dry if you have the time. I let my first batch air dry, and I realized nail polish takes a long time to dry. So I'm actually going to throw these in the freezer for a little bit, and when they're dry, we'll come back and show you what we're talking about. Alright, so after you let them dry for a little bit, you can actually put them back in their boxes and just leave them and forget about them until a rainy day when you need waterproof matches. But I'm going to show you that this trick actually works. Here we have some water. You can take one, submerge in the water, give it a few flicks. There you have it. Now, I wouldn't do this for regular matches, in the sense of the ones you're going to use to light candles in your house or start a barbecue. This is strictly just for survival matches, because I'm not sure what kind of chemicals this gel nail polish sends off when you light it on fire. So it's probably not good. So I would be sure to strictly only use these when you need to. But there you have it, folks. Waterproof matches with just some nail polish and a little bit of time. Be sure to subscribe to my video. Hit that notification bell so you get weekly updates, learn something new you might not have known before, or at least get your mind thinking. Share this video with your friends and family. Be sure to hit the like button. Leave some comments down below on what you think, or if you have better nail polish than I do, because this is gel effect. But that's it for me, guys. You have a good one.